Building muscle and maintaining high energy levels are two of the most important aspects of a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're an athlete pushing yourself to new limits, someone trying to improve overall fitness, or just trying to keep your energy up through a busy day. But here's the thing, while working out is essential for muscle growth, your nutrition is just as crucial, if not more. What you put into your body can directly influence how quickly you build muscle, how well you recover, and how energized you feel throughout the day. In today's video, we'll dive into the best foods to build muscle and boost energy, focusing on how specific nutrients work together to fuel your body. Whether you're looking to get that extra push during your workouts or need food that helps you power through a long day, this video has you covered. Nutrition isn't just about eating to survive, it's about eating to thrive. So what does it really take to give your body the right building blocks for muscle growth and sustained energy? You might be thinking about protein shakes and pre-workout energy boosters, but believe me, there are many more foods that play a significant role in your muscle building and energy boosting efforts. Let's break down the food that should be a staple in your diet and how each one contributes to muscle recovery, growth, and the energy you need to crush your workouts and get through your day without that mid-afternoon slump. Number 1. Protein powerhouses, chicken, fish, and lean beef. When it comes to building muscle, protein is the star of the show. It's the macronutrient that repairs muscle fibers after intense training, helping you grow stronger and bigger over time. While protein is essential for muscle growth, it also helps with tissue repair and immune function, making it a critical part of a well-balanced diet. So, what are some of the best protein-packed foods for building muscle and boosting energy? Let's start with some of the top sources of protein you should be including in your diet. Chicken. Chicken, particularly chicken breast, is a classic go-to for anyone looking to build muscle. It's rich in high-quality protein and very low in fat. A typical 4-ounce serving of chicken breast provides around 25 to 30 grams of protein, making it a great option for those who need a substantial amount of protein throughout the day. Chicken also provides essential B vitamins like niacin and B6, which are critical for energy metabolism. These vitamins help convert the food you eat into energy, keeping you fueled throughout your workouts and daily activities. Fish. Fish, especially salmon and tuna, is not only rich in protein but also provides healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are crucial for reducing inflammation and promoting muscle recovery, especially after intense workouts. The omega-3s in fish help to reduce muscle soreness and promote better joint health, allowing you to train harder more often. Salmon, for example, provides about 22 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, along with healthy fats that are essential for optimal body function. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef, such as sirloin or ground beef with less fat, are packed with high-quality protein, as well as essential iron. Iron plays an essential role in energy production by helping red blood cells carry oxygen to your muscles. This means you can perform better and recover faster. Beef also contains a rich array of vitamins and minerals, including zinc and B vitamins, that help regulate the immune system and metabolism. While beef is higher in fat than chicken or fish, choosing lean cuts ensures you're getting the muscle-building benefits without excess fat. These protein-packed foods should form the foundation of your muscle-building diet. Whether you're grilling chicken, having a tuna salad, or enjoying a lean steak, these sources of protein help fuel both your muscles and your energy levels. Number 2. Carbs for energy. Sweet potatoes and quinoa. While protein is important for muscle growth, carbohydrates are your body's primary source of fuel. Carbs are essential for energy, especially if you're working out intensely. They provide the quick energy your body needs to power through those grueling training sessions, and they also help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles, which get depleted during exercise. Sweet potatoes. These bright orange tubers are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates. Unlike simple carbs like white bread or sugary snacks, complex carbs are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy throughout the day. This is perfect for maintaining high energy levels during both workouts and daily activities. Sweet potatoes are also high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber, which help with muscle recovery and general health. One medium-sized sweet potato can provide around 20 to 25 grams of carbohydrates, plus a healthy dose of potassium to help prevent muscle cramps. Quinoa. If you're looking for a carb source that also provides protein, quinoa is your go-to. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth. In addition to being rich in carbs, quinoa also contains fiber and magnesium, which help regulate energy production and improve muscle function. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 40 grams of carbs and 8 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for muscle building and long-lasting energy. Complex carbs like sweet potatoes and quinoa are not only excellent for building muscle, but also for providing consistent energy throughout your workouts and daily tasks. Number 3. Healthy fats. Avocados and nuts. It's time to talk about fats, but not just any fats, healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for maintaining proper hormone levels, including those involved in muscle growth and energy production. They also help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Avocados. These creamy, nutrient-packed fruits are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help improve heart health and support muscle recovery. In addition to being rich in healthy fats, avocados are also a great source of potassium, which helps with muscle contraction and nerve function. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels, ensuring you don't experience those energy crashes that can come from consuming sugary or processed foods. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are excellent sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. A small handful of almonds can provide you with about 15 grams of healthy fats, 6 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts help reduce inflammation and support muscle repair, while the protein content ensures you're getting enough nutrients to fuel muscle growth. These healthy fats help stabilize your blood sugar levels, keep you feeling full for longer, and support both muscle recovery and overall energy throughout the day. Number 4. Power veggies, spinach and broccoli. While veggies may not always be at the forefront of muscle-building discussions, they play a critical role in your overall health and energy levels. Leafy greens and other vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support both muscle growth and recovery. Spinach. Packed with iron, spinach is a must for muscle building. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles and tissues, ensuring you have the stamina to power through tough workouts. Spinach also contains magnesium, which helps with muscle relaxation and recovery. This veggie is also rich in vitamin K, which supports bone health, ensuring your body is ready for heavy lifts and challenging exercises. Broccoli. Often referred to as a superfood, broccoli is full of fiber, vitamin C, and calcium. Calcium is essential for muscle contraction, while vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which is needed for muscle repair. The high fiber content also supports digestion, ensuring your body can properly absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle growth and energy. By incorporating these veggies into your meals, you're not only giving your body a boost of vitamins and minerals, but also improving muscle function and overall energy. Number 5. Dairy delights. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Dairy products are packed with protein and calcium, both of which are essential for building muscle and keeping your body energized. Among the top dairy options are Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, both of which offer unique benefits. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that helps your muscles repair and grow while you sleep. Casein protein provides a steady release of amino acids, preventing muscle breakdown overnight. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which help maintain gut health and improve nutrient absorption, ensuring you're getting the most out of your meals. Cottage cheese. Similar to Greek yogurt, cottage cheese is high in casein protein and low in fat, making it perfect for a late-night snack. Cottage cheese also provides calcium, which is crucial for bone health and muscle function. These dairy options help fuel your muscles with the protein they need for recovery and growth while providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. Number 6. Energy-boosting fruits, bananas and berries. When you need a quick energy boost, fruits like bananas and berries should be your go-to. These fruits provide a combination of natural sugars, fiber, and antioxidants that support energy production and muscle recovery. Bananas. Bananas are packed with potassium, an essential electrolyte that helps prevent muscle cramps and supports muscle function. They also provide natural sugars that give you a quick, sustained burst of energy. Bananas are a perfect pre-workout snack, providing you with the carbs and energy you need to crush your training session. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, these fruits are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support recovery. They also contain vitamin C, which is vital for collagen production and tissue repair. Including these fruits in your diet helps fuel your body with energy and nutrients that improve muscle recovery and performance. Number 7. Hydration. Water and coconut water. Finally, let's talk about hydration. Hydration is crucial for muscle function and energy levels. Without enough fluids, your performance can suffer and recovery slows down. Water. Water is essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting muscle function. Staying hydrated helps regulate body temperature, aids digestion, and ensures that nutrients are transported effectively to your muscles. If you're working out, make sure to drink water before, during, and after your session to replenish what's lost through sweat. Coconut water. Coconut water is an excellent alternative to sugary sports drinks. It's packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help rehydrate and replenish lost nutrients after exercise. It's a natural, low-calorie option to keep your energy levels up without added sugars. And there you have it, the best foods to build muscle and boost energy. From lean proteins to complex carbs, healthy fats, and nutrient-dense veggies, the right foods are crucial for supporting both muscle growth and high energy levels. Whether you're training hard in the gym or simply trying to power through your day, these foods will help keep you on track. Remember, building muscle and maintaining high energy isn't just about lifting weights or doing cardio, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. So start incorporating these powerhouse foods into your meals and you'll be well on your way to becoming stronger, healthier, and more energized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite muscle-building foods in the comments below.